We concluded the last video telling you about 2 different approaches to address emotions and emotional management with young people. Both options are valid. This choice should be made according to your group's profile and needs. Here are some notes to support you with this decision. Addressing emotions in a general perspective may be better if you don't have much time to implement the program. Your group struggles with deeper reflections. Your group has cognitive impairments. Participants are younger or more immature. On the other hand, to focus individually on each emotion can prove to be more relevant if you could do more sessions on this topic. Your group is available for more complex reflections. The group is able to share personal issues and respect others' contributions. In both options, it's easier to start with more dynamic and light activities. This will help you to prepare the group for the following activities, which will be harder and more challenging. To introduce the topic, we recommend you try the Emotion Dictionary, increasing the group's vocabulary on emotions. You can also run What Does It Make You Feel?, an activity that uses music as a tool to promote personal reflection on emotions. Or even the Emotion Ball, which addresses the issue good versus bad emotions, and it's good to introduce personal reflection. Now, if you choose to use a more specific approach, we recommend you try dynamics like Joy and Sadness Luggage, Burst Your Anger, Stage of Stars, The Pendulum, and Who's Guilty, since each focus on specific emotion. This is Houses of Empathy's suggestion. However, there are other emotions that can be addressed. It will depend on your evaluation of your group's needs. As usual, we leave you with some tips to help you manage this unit's sessions. The debriefing and the reflection about the experience is crucial to accomplish your goals. Talk with your group about how they feel in the home. How do they feel in this home? Can you share some moments in which someone in this group made you feel joy? What are the things that most comfort you in the home are just some examples about how you may introduce this question. It's possible that while reflecting about emotions, young people bring some sensitive issues into the discussion. Try to help them solve it in the session setting. Don't forget, our approach is based on no blaming. If someone shares a situation where a peer has done something hurtful, avoid judging and try to be empathic instead. Acknowledge the problem and, if it makes sense to you, clarify it for the group and involve them in finding strategies to cope with it. There's no specific script for these kinds of reflections, since it depends a lot on the group feedback. Don't forget, this is just a complement of the handbook. You can learn much more by checking it.